Hey guys, my name is Marco and welcome to my channel. By the way, this is my first video. I would be interested in your comments, what you think about it, and yeah, just leave a comment. I'm German, but I'm doing this in English because I think more guys out there would understand it in English than in German. So I might not know every technical term, but I think you'll see it. So what I wanted to do today is, this is my O&K L25 loader, and the steering cylinder is leaking, and I want to fix that because I don't like all the oil spilling around. Yeah, and that's what the video is about, so let's get started. So as you can see, right there it's leaking, so I want to take it apart and get some new seals, get it sealed and put it back together. So first of all, I loosen that Allen screw here. And oh, that's the wrong side. Take it apart easily. But as you can see, it's nicely greased up, so shouldn't be a problem there. That's it. Oh yeah, there's quite some wear. But this loader has maybe way over 12,000 hours on it, so that's not too bad. So here's the first problem. I got these pliers, I don't know how they're named in English, but as you can see, they're curved like this, and I turn the camera on. I cannot get in there proper, but these things are interchangeable, so I gotta loosen them up and put some straight ones in there. You can also set these pliers for extern or intern. What we need is intern. So. There we go. So, but before I take this apart, think I'm gonna unpressure the hydraulic reservoir that happens to be underneath here. So I gotta unscrew these screws. Okay. As you can hear, the pressure goes out. Let's see how that works. Okay, here's the problem. I don't really know how this thing comes apart. Normally you have something like a screw on top of the cylinder, or like a packing which is screwed on there, but in this case there isn't. So only thing I see is right there is a sealing, and maybe something is behind there. So I try to pull that one out. Okay, so now we're going to loosen that hose so I can slide that one in there and get the metal ring which holds that piece here out, so I can take the whole piece out. Looks like we're getting there. You can see that. I can see that metal ring already. Okay. Now I don't know if you can see this. Get the camera. See there. There's that steering. And that needs to come out somehow. Here we go. Yay. So now we should be able to pull the whole thing out again. Yeah. Here it comes. Okay, so get it out.